here we are again, 5 years later. Is it 5 or 6 years later? How long ago did, huh?
I think 6.
Really? 6 years ago? All right. Well, Film, this is my trusty helper here, Stepan, my wonderful son. He's going to help me put this desk together. I don't know if I want to zoom up with it. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. And we're going to start taking everything out. Okay, here are all the parts outside of the box. And it says right here that you need to start with a screwdriver. You need to make sure you have a screwdriver. It's the main thing that you need. So here's step 1. Step 1. Align the holes of the left leg and drive rod using the supplied wrench to secure both with a screw.
So that's the piece with the motor.
I think that's it.
You think this is it? Look, it says slide it all the way down. If I slide it all the way down, it's not gonna fit.
So now you're basically putting that drive rod into the right leg. We're on step 2 out of 12. Insert drive rod into the hole of the right leg. If it cannot be inserted easily, tilt the right leg slightly until they're matched. Please note that the diagram is showing the legs backwards. As shown, use the wrench to install the support beam to the legs with screws. Step 3 was a little bit challenging because initially we were unable to get these holes to line up to fasten these bolts in, but that was step 3. So it's done. Just got to play with it a little bit and it'll work out. Using the supplied wrench, install the leg bases to the legs, respectively with the screws. Okay, 4 was the feet. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. 4 bolts on each side. You just line the feet up and tighten them up, no big deal. All right, step 5. Using the supplied wrench, install the side plates on each side of the legs with screws. There is a better video, by the way, that the manufacturer has that you can scan the QR code for. But we just figured you guys might want to see us build another desk and show you how easy it is.
Yeah, the manufacturer doesn't give a review though.
Yes, that's right. They don't give a review either. So we'll let you know once everything's assembled what we think. Step 5 was putting these plates on that pretty much hold the desk. Step 6 and step 7 are happening right now. Feel free to pause this section if you like, but you're basically just bolting the 2 boards together to create your desktop. It's a rather tedious act. Step 7 is pretty straightforward. You're just putting the rubberized washers around the holes.
Use screwdrivers to secure the leg part to the boards. And the screws empty. Alright.
Use a screwdriver to secure the leg part to the boards with the screws. Please align the silicone sheet. Get yours lined up and then I'll line mine up.
There, it's lined up.
You sure about that? Look at your side, look at mine.
Yes, lined up.
Get
I'm
it.
so confused because these holes are right there. The holes that right here.
Then you know what that means.
We have to turn around?
Yeah, I mean obviously. There's no other way.
Alright, that works.
Once again, steps 9 and 10 are pretty straightforward. You're just connecting the motor, the hand controller, and routing the cables. Alright, we're wrapping this up. Almost done. Putting those screws in. We did test the motor already to make sure that it worked. It's probably something you want to do before you even start going through all the trouble to assemble the desk.
Oh, my fault, but not our fault, but one of the screws, it had a little bump in it. So we couldn't fully
Yeah, it had a
attach
piece
it.
of, basically we got a defective screw, and we're gonna have to call them and see about getting another one for the cable holder. Step 11, screw the drawer into the bottom of the board. Sorry, but this drawer is a joke.
Oh, this is, oh yeah, this is the way you screwed it. See that?
Okay. All right.
We gotta flip it like this, so I pick it up and then.
No, we'll just
Oh, yeah.
just turn it like do like this. Yep. And then
I did. Oh, look.
yeah, we need to get that screw.
Dang, that's far.
Wow,
Imagine just. Wait,
that goes up taller than mine.
122 centimeters, sorry. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty far.
Yeah, let me see.
And it's much bigger.
Wow.
He's 6 foot. That one is 23, almost 24 inches in depth.
Yeah. Cool.
I like it. Alright, let's see. What's one like? Oh, I forgot to put these in.
And finally, step 12 is inserting the cable hole covers into the holes in the board.
Only complaint I have is that screw.
Once again, we want to thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to not only this video, but all of our other videos. Be sure to check back because we're going to have follow-up reviews on this desk and many of the other products that we've reviewed, as well as some of the DIY projects that we've done over the years.